guys, welcome to another week of Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the Mermaid Style Bubble Fishtail Braid. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. First thing you want to do is to make a ponytail from here onto the crown area, like a half a ponytail right here. So grab a section right here. Okay, so you're going to create this ponytail right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just puff this up a little bit just to give her some volume in the front on top of her head. So next thing you want to do is to secure an elastic band onto this ponytail. So you want to grab this ponytail and then you want to secure an elastic band about 2 inches down. About 2 fingers to 3 fingers down. Now you want to just split this in half. Put your 2 fingers in there and grab the tail and pull through. Tighten this up a little bit. Now you can go ahead and pull the outsides of these out. Just puff it out. So now the next step is to hold this, or you can clip it up. You're going to take the sides and section these to the back on both sides, and you're going to secure this off. Now you're going to go ahead and bring this back. Now if you see this, you can bring this down a little bit. This one here, bring it down a little just to match it back here. So now you can go ahead and secure this together with another elastic band. I know that using a lot of elastic bands on one tail is a lot. I find it a lot easier doing it this way so it won't pull the other strands out of place. Okay, so this is all repeated. So what we did the first section, we're going to do the same thing. So take the tail and secure it with an elastic band again. Bring it down to 2 or 3 fingers apart. Going to split this. And split this in half. Bring your 2 fingers through and pull this tail right through. Pull this tighter. And you're going to pull these sides out. I'm going to go ahead and bring this up here, secure that temporarily, bring the sides back, secure it together, bring this back over here, and underneath, you're going to pull the elastic band right to where this elastic band would hold together. Secure it, and see how it droops down? This is what you want. Then you just continue all the way down, and this is all repeated. Okay, so now that I have no more to add on the sides here, I'm just going to do the same thing I did up here without adding the sides. Okay, so you're just gonna go back up here. Just puff out the fishtail the way you like them. Put a little hairspray just to tame the flyaways. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. We're always up for a good challenge, so if you know any styles that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comment section below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success of following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys!